Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix receiving blurry pictures on Android. Blurry pictures can occur due to poor network quality, low resolution settings, or compression used by messaging apps. First, check your internet connection and switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network if it's available. Next, open the messaging app where you received the blurry message. For example, if you received a blurry image in WhatsApp. In some apps, you may need to enable high-quality media downloads in the settings. In my case, the auto download quality is set to HD. Also, check if the sender is using a compressed format or sending the image through a low-quality network. If you still receive blurry messages, clear the messaging app cache by going to Settings and searching for your messaging app. Then go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Finally, restart your phone and try again. And that's it. We just learned common fixes for blurry pictures on Android, including improving network quality, enabling high-quality downloads, and clearing app cache. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.